Very good evening, friends. This is Rahul Ghosh here. Can all of you all confirm if you can hear my voice loud and clear? Fantastic. And do confirm if you can see my screen. You should be seeing Trade Tiger on my screen. Good evening, all of you. It's good to be here back in the live trading room. How's everybody doing here this evening? We have very few people in the house as of now. It's 9 o'clock bang. I thought everybody would be here on time. But unfortunately, we have only about 75 people in the house and counting. What we're going to do is, as always, we're going to wait for a couple of minutes till everybody joins in. And then we're going to go ahead and start the session, friends. So see you in a couple of minutes. Sunil, it's much more difficult to do it on a sustained basis, Sunil. It is right. To do it on a sustained basis, you need to give a lot of time in front of the screen. Lakshmi, yes, I'll try and do that. I'm just waiting for everybody to go ahead and join in before I start the session. Okay, let's go ahead and start, guys, because it's 102 people are there. It's 9:04. I don't think we can wait any longer. Let's quickly take up some of the questions. Then what could be the strategy? Sunil, you need to always have a mixed bag, my friend. If you're a full-time trader, Sunil, and please notice the choice of words I've used over here. If you're a full-time trader, I wouldn't attribute more than 20-25% of your capital in intraday. That is in the case of a full-time trader. Rutvik, which trade of Britannia are you talking about? The monthly income trade, is it? Well, it hasn't stopped us out as yet, Rutvik. We're still in the trade. Yeah, we're still in the trade. Abhijit says Indigo. So maybe we'll have a look at a couple of scripts before everybody joins in. You're a monthly income short on which chart? Namra Kumar Jani, my name is Rahul Ghosh. So how many of you are attending the monthly income session for the first time? How many of you are attending the monthly income session for the first time? Just give me a yes if you're attending it for the first time. Manisha, बिल्कुल. अगर आप पहली बार अटेंड कर रहे हैं तो मुझे एक yes दीजिएगा. Okay, so warm welcome to the people who've just come into monthly income sessions. I'll try and go as slow as possible, but in case you find it a little fast at any point, I would suggest whenever you find it a little difficult, ask me to slow down. Sure, Namra Kumar. Satish, we are in that trade. In fact, even I'm in that trade, Satish. RLX, this is a monthly income session, RLX. Yes, Samba, we'll have a look at Hindalco. Yeah, so the gentleman who had asked Indigo, what was your level for Indigo, if you can help me out? Was it a long, was it a short? Short, yeah, Abhijit, where was the short? That's the question. Daily execution, okay. Are you talking about this rally based drop? Because we haven't gotten a fill over here, Abhijit. I would suggest we've missed the bus with respect to this one. It's already given us a fill. Bhagwan, I'm glad you made money. Bhaskar, we were only in a monthly income trade. And this is a monthly income session, my friend. Are you already in the trade, Abhijit? Because if you're already in the trade, I would exit before 1050. 1050, 1055, I would exit before that. Before that good looking demand that you can see with the big explosive leg out. Good evening, Muthu. Jigar, I'll come to all your trades. Give me a minute. So let's go ahead and start, friends. We have about 150 people in the house as of now. We'll go ahead. So Divi's mein kya view? Divi's, Manisha, I'm also holding the monthly income long we had planned. Yes, Lakshmi, I'm glad you're doing good. Jay, I'm also in that trade. Don't worry. Chandrasekhar, good to see you. RP Singh ji, good evening. This is Rahul Ghosh, Pushpendra. This is Rahul Ghosh. Okay, guys, just a second. Let's go ahead and start. Badhiya RP Singh ji. Let's start with Nifty, friends. Another day, another all-time high in Nifty, friends. Just no stopping the index. At this point, if you were to go and fancy a buy, again, guys, we are ending up in the same place. We are making money stock specifically, but with respect to index, we are not able to do anything great. But at least in the long side, we are making money stock specific. Rahul, I want to join when you come. Sure, Namra Kumar, we can always get that done. Yeah. With respect to Nifty right now, there is some important events in the global markets. Anybody managed to have a look at what Dow and Europe is doing? Anybody had a look at Dow or Europe? Any one of the two? Or should we have a check? Okay, then we shall go and have a check. Let's see what Europe is doing first. Europe is flat, more or less. Dow is up about 70 points. Okay. There's supposed to be a Donald Trump speech happening sometime during the day, where they're planning to cut corporate tax. If something like that happens, you can expect a rally in Dow and therefore another look up in the market. I personally feel that, friends, after this such a stellar up move of about 200 points, some amount of sideways movement to take place in respect to Nifty. I repeat, I expect some amount of sideways movement to take place in the Nifty. You can't have an index going up plain and simple day after day, 100 or 180 points. That it doesn't work that way. If in terms of levels, friends, I was having a look at Nifty before starting this session, and I saw a nice level over here, which is quite far, to be honest with you guys, at 9135. It's a little far away from my current market price, but apart from that, in terms of levels, I didn't see anything interesting here. This same one, 9135. This was the only good level that I had seen in Nifty. Unfortunately, we don't have any other levels where we can go long on. Sideways movement, I would suggest let's step out from the index, friends, and let's be stock specific. I don't peg much heat to patterns like hanging man, Abhijit. I don't do that. मनीषा, मैं ये कह रहा था कि इंडेक्स से थोड़ा बाहर निकलते हैं. इंडेक्स में कोई क्लियर साइन नहीं दिख रहा है. ऑल्दो 300 पॉइंट के जो अपमूव हुआ है उसके बाद तो थोड़ा साइडवेज मूवमेंट इज वारंटेड. हम स्टॉक स्पेसिफिकली मार्केट को खेलेंगे क्योंकि स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक बहुत सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिल रहा है. नो नरसिम्हा मूर्ति, it's a weak pattern, Mayank. I agree with you. Yes, Hitarth, I'm going to do that. Yes, Nifty, the upper Bollinger Band is crossed. You're right, Bhaskar. You're right, but we are expecting sideways movement. There is too much strength. Even today, we had positive news. You had a banking result which surprised on the upside. Purushottam, this is Rahul Ghosh, not Kapil. Nifty Bank, we didn't get a fill, guys. We were expecting an entry at about 21,300, but you will notice just about 50 points over that prices bounced away. About 21,400 is where prices bounced away from. Unfortunately, we did not get a fill. Yeah, with respect to Nifty Bank also, we are expecting some amount of consolidation, friends. We are not looking to trade the index right now, and this is my personal view. We are not expecting an index wise view. We are expecting markets to be sideways, and we are going to play stock specific. We are not going to get into the index right now. Is everybody okay with that? Pushpendra, I'll try my best to go as slow as possible. Yeah, everybody clear with this? We are not getting into the index, guys. 200 people in the house. इंडेक्स से थोड़ा बाहर निकलते हैं. स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक बहुत सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, उस पे हम फोकस करने वाले हैं. यस, बिफोर आई गो इनटू द स्टॉक्स दैट आई हैव प्लान्ड फॉर यू ऑल, let's quickly recap all the trades we had discussed the last time in our monthly income session, friends. Very, very critical that we keep reviewing what trades, how they're doing. Are we making money? Are we losing money? Very, very critical to identify those setups. So if you guys can help me out on where some of the trades we had planned and how they are doing. First, let's start off with what I remember. We are long on Adani Ports. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. We are long on Adani Ports in this level over here, and we are still in the trade. Prices moved up, actually was giving us good amount of profit, but are now almost back to cost. We are still in this trade, friends. We are very much still in this trade. We haven't gotten an entry into our second tranche. Next, we got a fill in ICICI Bank, guys. Correct me if I'm wrong. ICICI Bank, we got a lovely bounce, friends. Lovely bounce. Again, a level over level and a beautiful up move. How many of you in ICICI Bank? Just give me a yes or a no. How many of you in ICICI Bank? Okay, quite a few. Oh, lovely. Lovely. Exited today, and I would still wait. There is a lot of room for this stock to go up. Jairam booking profits a little early. Okay, next we had Apollo Hospitals. Apollo Hospitals, again, what a lovely move we had, guys. What a lovely move we had in Apollo Hospitals. We got an entry into both tranches, and look at that candle that got formed today. We exited and booked full profits in Apollo Hospitals. How many of you in Apollo Hospitals, guys? Give me a yes or a no. Yes, if you were in the trade. No, if you didn't take the trade. Yeah, if you've exited, give me a yes still. We exited today. Perfect. Perfect. Good going, guys. Nice to see a lot of you taking these trades. I'm glad we are making money together. What else? We are in the trade with respect to Britannia, as we discussed a little earlier. Another trade which we booked profits was Maruti. Satish, I'm coming to Wipro. Maruti, we had this level over level where we had entered the last time, which is making us money, as well as the monthly income trade which I had planned. We booked out around 63.90. Yes, Shankar, we are in Adani Ports. How many of you were in the Maruti trade, guys? Give me a yes or a no. Yeah, if you've booked out also, give me a yes. Fantastic. Fantastic, guys. Good going. No Lakshmi. Only in the second tranche we would add in ICICI Bank. Yes, Fatigue, Britannia we are holding. Then we had a long in Wipro. Satish was saying Wipro. Correct me if I'm wrong. We had this level over level, my friend. Am I correct? Yes, no? We had this level over level. The first level actually gave us a phenomenal bounce. Yes, it gave us a phenomenal bounce, but we are still holding this trade, guys. Yes, Tata Motors, we are in the trade, Joseph. We are making money and we are in the trade with respect to Tata Motors. We are in Divi's Lab as well, and Wipro. If some of you had taken the first level, you would have got a lovely twist one and exited. No, Jigger. Any other trades, guys? Any other trades that got triggered? NMDC, says Satish. NMDC. What a lovely entry in NMDC, guys. Beautiful. What was my entry price, Satish? 125.25. I normally keep my entry a little above. Perfect, guys. And we are in the money with respect to NMDC as well. No, I wouldn't have marked it body to wick, Krishna. I would have marked this trade wick to wick. And wick to wick, we've gotten an entry and prices are beautifully in our favor right now. What else? What other trades? Any other trades? Sujata, fantastic. NMDC, first target, if you were to ask me, around 133, 134, I would book partial profits. I would book partial profits over there. And 142 or 141, I would exit completely. That supply zone is low on the curve, my friend. That is why I'm not pegging much heat to that. HPCL, we've exited, Satish. We got our target of 560. I think the last session itself I had discussed Hind Petro. This was our level and we already achieved our target, and what a beautiful exit we had because prices came crashing down. You made money? Okay, fantastic. Another trade, TCS, we got an entry. Yes or no, guys? TCS, you all remember this rally base rally? And we are currently in the money by about 50 odd rupees. We are in the money with 50 odd rupees. Any other trades that we got to fill in, guys? Any other trades? Yes, absolutely, Shankar. We are in TCS. How many of you in TCS? Give me a quick yes or a no. How many of you guys in TCS? Okay, quite a few in TCS as well. You didn't mark it, Satish, that's okay. So any other trades, guys? Any other trades? So if I were to recap, this was an aggressive trade. You're absolutely right, Satish. If I was to recap, we are currently making money in TCS, we are making money in NMDC, we've booked our profits in Apollo Hospitals, we've booked our profits in Maruti. We are looking for an entry into VEDL, which I will show you, and we are in the trade in Britannia and Adani Ports as well. So 3 trades we've booked profits, 2 trades we are making money, and 2 trades we are into. I'm going to ask you guys the same. ICICI, we are also making money. Fantastic. I'm going to ask all of you the same question I ask time and again in my monthly income sessions. Can anybody tell me what question that is? The same question I'm going to ask you guys. We have 220 people right now. And the question I'm going to put forth to all of y'all is, am I doing anything different? Absolutely. You all know the question. Then I want to know, why is it that I'm able to do it and I'm able to do it in front of you and some of you are still hesitating and not able to do it? Is it that y'all are being lazy and not putting in enough time? No, Lawrence, it has nothing to do with me being a genius. I am doing the same, following the same rules that all of you have been taught. Guys, please spend a little time, find out those good levels. The entire money making process you will see would become very, very lucid. And believe me, money is just a byproduct, guys, of your skills. No, Suresh, most of the trades I have discussed, I have been in. Then don't trade Lawrence intraday if you're finding it difficult. No, Hirath. No, Alex, you have been with most of the people here have been with my monthly income sessions. I don't think I'm doing anything different or used any other advanced strategies. Okay, let's come to my trades for today, friends. Shall we start?